Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hi everyone, this is the solution to problem 42, chapter 24 of Cosmos Physics. The situation in this question is the following. We have a polarized light that is polarized vertically coming in from the left, and it goes through a polarizer whose polarization axis is some value, alpha away, rotated by some angle alpha from the vertical. And so as this polarized light comes in, it gets polarized along the polarization axis of the first Polaroid. And then it comes onto another Polaroid, but there's no light coming out on the other side of the second Polaroid. And this last information, that there's no light coming out of the right, tells us that the polarization axis of the second polarizer and of the first polarizer make an angle of 90 degrees with each other. Additionally, we're told that the intensity in the middle is going to be 94% of the incident polarization on the left of the first polarizer. So we have that the intensity in the middle is 94% of the intensity on the far left. And since we had polarized light to begin with on the far left, we can write this polarized light in the middle as being s bar 0 times cosine squared of the angle between vertical and the axis of polarization of the first Polaroid. So if we call this alpha, we can actually find what alpha is. So we take the square root of 0.94, and we take arc cos of this value to get what alpha is. And this tells us that alpha is actually 14 degrees. And now to find what the second angle is, or what the angle is that the polarization axis of the second Polaroid makes with the vertical, we use this relation over here. And so we just add alpha to 90 degrees. So we have 90 degrees plus alpha. And so phi turns out to be 104 degrees.